Welcome to our channel. In our episode today, we will discuss the secrets of Robin Kiyosaki's creation of a well-known billionaire. If you are looking for ways to improve your situation, then success is sure to be, and to determine the right place. Let's get started. The first secret is financial education. Robin Kiyosaki believes that many people will benefit from the lack of knowledge. Instead of relying on schools to teach them how to make money, Kiyosaki cleans up by learning how to manage questions. Therefore, she uses reading books and attending coaches for financial knowledge. If you understand how to time it, you can take the best. The second is to change the poverty mindset. Kiyosaki says that many people are stuck in traditional thinking, relying on job security. But he encourages changing this power to an opportunity-seeking mindset. Think about how you can eliminate your skills, and here is an alternative to creating fear from it. The third is investing money. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of money working for you rather than working for money. Investing in assets such as real estate and stocks is one of the keys he used to build his wealth. When you buy assets, you train your bank for financial independence. The fourth secret is to learn from why. Kiyosaki believes that starting is a natural part of the journey to success. Choosing from fear of it, we should benefit from it. Learn from your past experiences, where you were able to get a better opportunity for yourself. The fifth secret is to build a network. Relationships with investors and entrepreneurs can open new doors for you. Don't hesitate to network and share ideas with others. Attend events, workshops, and business conferences. You may meet people who can help you or point you toward opportunities you wouldn't have found on your own. Remember, success doesn't come in isolation. The sixth secret is to take calculated risks. Kiyosaki emphasizes that success requires boldness. Instead of avoiding risks, you should learn how to evaluate them. Take the time to study each opportunity and be prepared to act when the opportunity is right. Calculated risks can lead to huge returns, but remember to be prepared to deal with the consequences. The seventh secret is consistency and discipline. Financial success does not happen overnight. It takes time and consistent effort. Your discipline in making the right financial decisions will pay off in the long run. Make a clear plan and keep a record of your progress. Celebrate small successes to keep yourself motivated. The eighth secret is positive thinking. Kiyosaki believes in the power of a positive mindset. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you can overcome challenges. Look for the positive in every situation and stay optimistic even in difficult times. Positive thinking not only helps you face difficulties, but it also attracts good opportunities into your life. The ninth secret is to look for opportunities. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Look for them. Study the market and always stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. When you are alert, you will be able to spot opportunities that others may miss. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone to explore new areas. The 10th secret is flexibility and adaptability. In the business world, things change quickly. Kiyosaki mentions the importance of being able to adapt to changing circumstances. Be prepared to adjust your strategies and plans when faced with new challenges. This flexibility will help you stay ahead and achieve long-term success.